Welcome to the weekly weather briefing. This is the National Weather Service in Spokane, Washington, and we will touch on some of the main weather stories for the upcoming week. As a side note, this briefing covers the latest forecast thinking. The forecast may change in the coming days, so check the website for any updates to the forecast. Here's a list of things we're going to touch on. This morning and early afternoon's gusty winds over the Okanagan Valley, Waterville Plateau, and the western Columbia Basin should continue to subside through the evening. However, more gusty winds are expected tomorrow over the Purcell Trench into the eastern Columbia Basin. Also, thunderstorm chances will increase across the region tomorrow. A drying trend will commence on Wednesday with above normal temperatures, more of the same for next week. North-northeast winds channeling through the Purcell Trench will gust to around 30 miles per hour at times on Tuesday. These gusty winds may make it into the eastern Columbia Basin as well. Another potentially more significant impact for Tuesday evening into the overnight hours will be the potential for thunderstorms with abundant lightning. A storm system moving north out of California will move along the Pacific coastline. Thunderstorms are expected to develop during the afternoon hours near the Oregon border. Chances will increase further north as the evening and overnight hours wear on. Some redevelopment is possible Wednesday over northeast Washington into the northern Idaho Panhandle. And because of the potential for thunderstorms with abundant lightning and gusty, erratic winds, a fire weather watch has been issued for the most valleys location of eastern Washington. The exception will be over the northeast Washington valleys. And here's a graphic where the fire weather watch has been issued. The watch begins Tuesday evening and continues through Wednesday morning. Precipitation chances dwindle after Tuesday for most areas, and a warming and drying trend will commence. Expect temperatures to be several degrees above normal through the weekend, with very little chance for precipitation. And looking into next week, expect near normal to above normal temperatures and below normal precipitation. In summary, winds this afternoon over the Okanagan Valley, Waterville Plateau, and the western Columbia Basin will continue to subside through this evening. Additional gusty winds will develop through the Purcell Trench into the eastern Columbia Basin on Tuesday. Thunderstorm chances will also increase from the south to north tomorrow afternoon and continuing into the overnight hours. Because of the chances for abundant lightning and gusty, erratic thunderstorm winds, a fire weather watch has been issued for most eastern Washington valleys. The northeast Washington valleys are excluded from the watch. And near to slightly above normal temperatures are expected next week with below normal precipitation. Thank you for watching this briefing. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at nws.spokane@noaa.gov.